Good morning and welcome to the Greenbeard Grooming Garden. As you may know, we planted a bunch of bamboo combs in our garden. Here's one here, looking very bendy, about 8 weeks ago, and one disposable plastic comb that looks perfectly fine. Today, our garlic is ready to harvest, or close enough. I probably harvested it a little too early. You'll see in a moment they're abysmal. Anyways, the bamboo combs are breaking down nicely in the garden. You wait till we get to the next plot and you'll really see that they've just turned into a pile of sticks. Let's check out this garlic. Come on, Ryan. There we go. See if we can get a better view. All right. That is our garlic. I believe this was the bendy-stemmed garlic. I'm not sure what the correct name is. There's a hard-stemmed garlic and soft-stemmed garlic. That, I think, is our first raspberry of the year that I have now dropped into dirt before eating it. I'm sure it went directly into my mouth. There's the garlic after I've cleaned them off, nice and white. I'm going to braid them together and dry them out in our garage so we can use them a bit later. I don't have enough to really last for a long time. Here is plot 2. And really the bamboo combs in plot 2, or the one bamboo comb I put in plot 2 has just turned into kind of a small pile of wood at this point. There you go. Nothing too exciting. No birds dropping in to visit us this week. But I think we do have a little worm there. There he is. I'm just going to crawl across the screen, and I didn't include it, but there's a bunch of snails in the garden, just kind of going all over the place. Anyways, that's all I've got for you today. Thank you for dropping in to check out the Greenbeard Grooming Garden. I'll see you next week.
Thank you for your pledges and support. We truly can't do this without you.